welcome back to another episode of Sea Slurp Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making an Italian classic, otherwise known as slut sauce, but it is called linguine alla puttanesca. It's a super savory, pungent pasta sauce with tomatoes. We have some anchovies, capers, olives, garlic, a bit of spice. It's one of my favorite go-tos for pasta, so let's go ahead and give it a try. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!